man. So listen. You listening? You got this man right here. You know what I'm saying? His name is all up in the title. I'm sure you read the title. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to read the title all over again. But yeah, this is that investigation performance, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna get this reaction popping because we do not do no long intros. On gang. Gang. Let's see what going on, bro. Yeah, put me on game. Yeah, and y'all let me know, you know what I'm saying? Some lit artists from China, you know what I'm saying, that y'all want me to react to. Not only China, you know what I'm saying, like worldwide. Any artist y'all want me to react to. Who is popping, obviously, you know what I'm saying? And who is lit. A good artist. Okay. This is straight up reminding me about that show. I think it's not Chinese. It's not a Chinese show. I think it's Korean show. It's called Iljimai. Man, I used to watch that bit like every single day after school when I was a youngin' boy. You know what I'm saying? Back in the days, but like, damn, this shit lit. That shit was my favorite show back in the day. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm still waiting for the like. They stopped producing Iljimai, y'all. Like, why did they? Bro, Iljimai was the thing, bro. It's like it was Iljimai a classic. Yeah, that mic is too close to your mouth. I'm not gonna care. Like, I mean, you can at least keep it a little bit distance, like the way I'm doing right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is too close, and I'm pretty sure you're not the only one who used that mic. But the song is still hitting you. You know what I'm saying? The performance is still hard. You know what I'm saying? The performance is still nice. I like bro's fit, you know what I'm saying? That give me that rockstar type vibe, you know what I'm saying? He a pop star for real. He on that timing. Yeah. Oh, is that the guy who was singing? He should have went to the piano, just like that. Damn. It's him. Man's is mad talented. Oh, right there. Down. Hey, bro is feeling that shit. He going crazy on the piano, damn. This shit is hitting, you know what I'm saying? This my mouse? What are you doing here? Guess I was talking about some real message and stuff like that. But yeah. But yeah, if you made it this far, you might as well join the 4 gang and be an OG member.